Hey guys, what's up? It's Jovi. We're not on Roblox. Sorry, my Christmas dress. Ignore that. I'm here with my dog, Alfie. Hello. Yeah, he's super cute. But, so yesterday the Adopt Me Christmas update came out. Yes, it's super fun. So, now the private servers are free and all. Yes, so all of us should have one. So here are some things that I got from Megan Plays. Go subscribe to her, really good YouTuber. She uploads Adopt Me and just Roblox every day. She has a channel called the BFF Squad, and she uploads twice a week. But on from that, so just go into your private server. We should all have one because they're free, like I said, and just go do the race first and wait for the Frost Flurry to go feed him and, do that. And then only stay at the front. Do not try to complete the obby. No, just stay at the front because you will get about 1,500. If you don't know, that means that's 1,500. And score, and it will get you about 300 gingerbread men. Now, there is the snow launcher thing. I forget what it's called, but you gotta dig up presents. You gotta find presents and just dig them. And then there are also snowmen. There's a present place and snowmen right when you go into the town. And then there's a snowman in the middle, one behind the hospital, one near the lake, by the campsite, and then one over across from there by the campsite. And then the presents you can spot out because they have, they're glowing, you could say. So that, while you're waiting for the Frost Flurry to come up, and while you're waiting for the Frost Flurry, just go make some actual money, and go check out what you want to start saving up for, because that'd be good, because then you know what your goal is. I am trying to save up for the owl and the Yeti. I have enough to get the snowman, but I'm not going to, because I'm not for sure. But just do that to keep you entertained. If you like the race, just do the race without the gingerbread men, because it's fun. And don't feel stressed to do it in time. If you're playing in a private server with a friend, and they have a higher score than you, it does not matter. Just do it. It will get you more gingerbread men. It will entertain you, and it's fun. So don't worry about getting the highest score. Just play, because it really doesn't matter. It just matters that you're making gingerbread money, having fun. That's all. Because that's what the game is for. It is not for trying to compete. There are other games for that if you want to compete. Then go join a game that is for competing, like an obby, and you can see who gets to the end first. But the game's just for fun, not for trying to win. But guys, I hope you like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell so you know when I post a new video. I hope you guys like this video with my cute dog. He's asleep. But yeah, go subscribe to Megan Plays. I got all of this from her. And so, yeah, I hope you guys like, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell so you know when we post a new video. I'll see you next time, Towel Sisters. Bye!